Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm going to the salon after 6 months to get a manicure, a pedicure and a much needed hair spa. So I thought I should vlog today because I haven't done this in ages. I am so excited. I got all dressed and everything and let's go. So this is my outfit of the day. I am wearing Kai chappals, H&M jeans, and this shirt is from Bershka. And the jewelry, I don't remember, this could be H&M, I am not sure. And this necklace is from Stradivarius, and that's my outfit of the day. I'm also carrying this bag. It's from Marc Jacobs. And that completes the outfit. I made it to the salon. I actually also stopped by Apple to get me an early birthday present. I lost my AirPods, so I got the new one. Also thanks to Bang Junk, I have my lunch ready. You have no idea how good this feels. I'm in the spa room. I'm actually getting like a brightening facial done. My face has a lot of congestion right now, so I need something that is brightening and kind of like removes all of the dead skin cells and any of the congestion. So once the facial is done, we will go for a hair spa and then a manicure and a pedicure. I am so excited. So this is my face before the treatment. That's the look. We're halfway there, and I have mascara under my eyes, like that looks so funny, but my skin already looks so clean. So I just got done with my facial and now I'm getting my manicure and my pedicure done. We're just about to start and this chair has a massage thing going on. It's so nice. Just getting started on that. Look how shiny my nails look. The pedicure is still going on. So I'm done with my hands and my feet. Time for the hair. What are we doing today?
We'll be doing a few gels.
Okay. Awesome. Let's do this. I got white nail polish. Looks good.
On top of it, I'm going to use the booster, which is for colored hair to give more shine on it.
And what is that one?
This is to strengthen your hair.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I'll be using the shampoo for colored hair.
Oh, I used the same one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chromatic. And then for the mask, I'm going to use something for dryness.
Okay, perfect.
To give nourishment.
Let me show you a before of the hair. This is what it looks like. One of my favorite things to get done is to get my hair washed and blow dried. It never looks as good as when it's done in the salon. Do you want me to open my earrings? Do you think it'll be better?
I think that will be fine. It's okay.
Okay, cool.
So you just give the sufficient amount on it. That's it.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then you're going to put it on my hair.
Then I just have to spray it on, like on the hair.
And this is the after. It definitely feels really smooth and it looks so much more healthy. I feel like my hair just soaked up all of the products, and now it just looks so much more luminous. It was just so frizzy and dead, but I really love it. I think I should do this more often now. I also bought some Olaplex products because I've been hearing such good things about them. I just got the conditioner, not the shampoo, because I do have a lot of shampoos, and this is a pre-shampoo sort of treatment, so I thought I should just try them. I feel like a brand new person, to be honest. I just got done. I will be driving back home now, and then I have to get ready for a Zoom event, like properly get ready. I'll tell you more about it while I'm getting ready. And I have today's video to upload. So today is a Thursday, so I have filmed what I eat in a day, so that should go up today ideally, and you're seeing this the next day, so you're seeing this on Friday, hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. But yeah, so I am so relaxed. I'm so glad I had this nice pamper session. It truly feels like my birthday month now. I made it home, and look what Shadow is up to. She's literally inside this little box. Did you just paw me? Oh, I missed you so much. She is really enjoying this paper bag. You like it? Is this your new home now? I made it home, but there's no time for rest. I am getting straight to editing today's video so that it goes up on time. I also have to get ready because I have an event at 9:30, and I want to like film my get ready, maybe do like a reel or something. And yeah, I'm just having my dinner. Shadow's in the box and she's making so much noise. I'm just having my dinner. This was actually lunch for today, but I did not get time to eat my lunch today, so I'm just eating that. And details for all of my food and everything is actually in today's video, which is yesterday for you guys. So I hope you watched that, and I am gonna get to editing and make sure that this video goes up on time. I almost forgot to show you the event because I was having so much fun. My internet is killing me. But let me quickly show you the closing ceremony. I actually went and restarted my laptop just now because my YouTube just would not. I have been so stressed because YouTube just would not upload my file. I thought there was an issue with my internet, but it's not the internet because my Zoom has been working for an hour and it has been on 3% upload for like an hour. It is 10:44 in the night right now and my video is just not uploading. I am so stressed and annoyed at the moment. Got ready on time, I edited it, and I just was so excited to upload this video, and now I'm just so bummed. Oh, it is what it is. It's 11:15 right now and it's still not uploading. I am stressing and I'm sending the file to Nikita and I hope she is able to upload it on my behalf, but again, this is uploading so slowly. It says about an hour remaining. I really don't know what to do. I'm so sleepy, but it feels so bad to not upload when you have everything ready, and I really don't want to do that. And I could not WeTransfer because the file was more than 3 GB and WeTransfer only allows you like 2 GB for free, so I upgraded to Pro so I could send her the file so that she could upload it. Yes. Got Sushi begging for attention. What do you want? Do you want food? Yeah? There's dry food right there. Why don't you eat that? Huh? Go, come. Come on, show you. Come here. Your food is right there. Now you don't want it? Of course. Stop smelling your ass. Eat it. Come on, it's okay. It's good food. It's good food. Come on. Don't be so picky, mama. Eat it. There we go. There we go. Oh, what a good girl. So picky. And what are you up to? What do you want? I saw you climbing up the curtains like a minute ago. And why are you wet? Did you jump in on the sink again? But I think I should call this vlog a day because I don't know, maybe this will go up, maybe it won't, but I definitely need to go to sleep and end this vlog. I hope I'm able to upload this vlog on time. I'm actually gonna start editing right away and keep it uploaded way beforehand so that I don't have any such last minute drama. Today was supposed to be a nice pampered day, Today was supposed to be a nice, relaxed, pampered day for me, but it ended up being quite stressful in the night. But I should not let this affect my sleep schedule and anything else. It's okay. Sometimes it happens, and these are things that are beyond my control, right? So there's no point stressing about things that I don't have any control in. Don't stress about things that you don't have any control over. It's all going to be okay. And thank you so much for understanding about the late upload. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day, a much better day than I did today. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.